Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. Is YouTube secretly replacing Google search? Why does the algorithm know exactly what you want to watch? How does YouTube decide which creators get rich? What is the yellow dollar sign actually doing to free speech? How does YouTube auto-scan every object inside a video? Part 2: Value Propositions. YouTube's value proposition splits across three distinct vectors: zero cost, infinite access for consumers, global monetization and reach for creators, and hyper-targeted, high-scale attention capture for brands. 8 cases related to value propositions. Case A: free on-demand global media repository, the foundational promise to consumers, instant access to billions of hours of cross-category video content on any connected device, entirely free of charge. Case B: direct creator monetization pipeline, YPP, the primary value driver for talent, an open platform that provides infrastructure, video hosting, and a transparent 55% ad revenue sharing mechanism to turn video creation into a career. Case C: granular programmatic target audience capture, the value engine for enterprise brands, the ability to execute real-time bidded ad campaigns that target hyper-specific behavioral intent data rather than raw TV demographic slots. Case D: frictionless background playback and offline portability, the core value proposition of YouTube Premium, an ad-free viewing environment that allows mobile users to cache full videos to internal device storage and stream audio with locked screens. Case E: global content distribution with zero infrastructure costs, the back-end promise to independent media houses, the ability to distribute video files to an audience of billions without paying for video content delivery networks, CDNs, hosting, or cloud server scaling. Case F: cultural trend acceleration via YouTube Shorts, the hook for younger demographics and modern creators, a fast-paced vertical player designed to drive explosive, organic channel discoverability with zero production barrier prerequisites. Case G: deep, contextual search engine utility, the platform's functional value proposition, operating as the world's second-largest search engine, indexing human knowledge through indexed video guides, bookmarks, and transcripts. Case H: seamless living room CTV integration, the value play for families, a high-fidelity smart TV application interface that streams 4K video instantly, replacing traditional linear cable television networks. 11. For open-ended questions. How can YouTube protect its core proposition of free expression while implementing the strict moderation and brand safety filters demanded by corporate enterprise advertisers? As streaming apps continue to introduce premium subscription models, what adjustments should YouTube make to its premium tier value bundle to keep it competitive against traditional cinema apps? How can the platform optimize creator discoverability metrics within the Shorts feed so that explosive short-form virality successfully converts into stable, long-form channel loyalty? In what ways can YouTube leverage its search infrastructure to give users immediate, trusted answers during high-stakes informational events without inadvertently boosting unverified rumors. 12. For explanations. The dematerialization of traditional media infrastructure, YouTube completely shifts the economics of media distribution. Traditionally, launching a television network required massive upfront investments in physical broadcast towers, satellite leases, or cable infrastructure. YouTube productizes this entire pipeline into an open web browser app, turning global distribution into a zero marginal cost utility for anyone with an internet connection. The shared success monetization model, unlike platforms that keep 100% of ad revenue or pay fixed creator funds, YouTube's partner program binds its value proposition directly to creator success. By sharing a massive slice of ad revenue, up to 55%, YouTube turns its creator base into distributed business partners who are financially incentivized to maximize video quality and user engagement. Combating choice fatigue via intent and search integration, modern streaming viewers face choice fatigue, spending hours scrolling through menus trying to pick a title. YouTube answers this by blending intent-driven search functionality with passive algorithmic discovery. Users either type exactly what they want to learn, or let personalized home feeds serve content aligned with their exact current mood. Contextual ad adjacency and brand safety optimization. The value proposition for brand advertisers hinges entirely on placement trust. A major consumer brand will pull millions of dollars in ad spend if their commercial appears next to harmful content. YouTube's automated backend operates real-time brand safety classification scans to ensure ads only deploy inside validated, clean video environments. 13. For implementation plans. Plan 1. Next Generation Interactive Chapter Auto-Generation. Deploy updated multimodal AI parsing routines to automatically split uploaded long-form videos into interactive, searchable text chapters from day one, maximizing search utility. Plan 2. Creator Studio Predictive A or B Thumbnail Sandbox. Launch an integrated interface tool allowing creators to upload up to 3 thumbnail design variations, letting algorithmic test loops determine the most engaging art choice before full release. Plan 3. Premium Tier Custom Mini-App Integration. Expand the value bundle of YouTube Premium by including a rolling catalog of interactive, ad-free instant casual mini-games playable directly inside the main streaming feed interface. Plan 4. Advanced real-time brand safety tuning controls. Build a slider-driven optimization console inside Google Ads for YouTube campaigns, letting enterprise buyers adjust exactly how strict or experimental their ad placement environments should be. 14. For implementation processes. Process 1. Automated multimodal video indexing and transcription. Creator completes a high-definition video file upload process, then execute automated speech-to-text processing to generate complete transcripts, then analyze visual and audio changes to isolate logical topic transition marks, then inject clickable, interactive video chapters right onto the timeline layout, then Process 2. Real-time brand safety filter scan. An uploaded video file hits system processing servers before public release, then run natural language processing models across metadata, titles, and transcripts, then scan visual frames using computer vision to check for controversial content, then apply monetization yellow or green $ status tags inside Creator Studio, then Process 3. Dynamic Search Result Ranking Lifecycle. User inputs a high-intent phrase into the main app search engine bar, then query indexed video tags, descriptions, transcripts, and watch records, then rank matching titles by historical click-through rates and view duration scores, then serve dynamic results page alongside highly relevant text answer snippets, then Process 4. Premium Offline Download Background Sync. Premium subscriber marks an expansive educational playlist for offline use, then automate video file encryption runs and split files into secure storage chunks, then download files directly onto phone storage hardware during local Wi-Fi connections, then allow full local playback within application sandbox without data connections, then 15. For actionable recommendations. Deepen creator tools within the app interface, build integrated, professional-grade cloud editing utilities and audio mixing features inside Creator Studio to lower the barrier for mobile-first content creators. Clarify monetization appeals paths. Demystify policy decisions by providing creators with precise timestamped video frame references showing exactly why an account upload fell into a restricted ad status. Lock specialized streaming assets behind premium plans. Keep high overhead processing options, such as streaming live events in 8K resolution or utilizing advanced spatial audio tracks, strictly inside the paid premium tier to shelter margins. Package contextual ad blocks around trending terms. Offer corporate brand marketing directors specialized ad bundles linked directly to rising search keyword volumes, catching public attention trends early. 16. 4 to-do items. Run usability trials on the creator onboarding pipeline to isolate where amateur users drop off when configuring their ad settings. Conduct a performance audit on auto-generated transcription accuracy curves across regional accents and multi-language dialogue. Review customer cancellation tickets inside YouTube Premium to adjust pricing values or add needed ecosystem features. Test interactive on-screen product checkout cards during live e-commerce streams to optimize viewer conversion tracking steps. 17. For practical techniques. Multimodal semantic search vectoring, converting video transcripts, visual cues, and titles into unified mathematical coordinates to serve search results based on underlying meaning rather than literal keyword matches. Predictive audience decay modeling, analyzing the structural viewing drop-off graphs of past media releases to calculate exactly when an ad break marker should deploy to secure maximum viewer completion rates. Computer vision object label parsing, running automated neural network passes across raw video streams to map physical products appearing in the frames, linking them directly to matching web marketplace cards. Dynamic UI layout variance testing, serving distinct variation styles of homepage recommendation layouts to targeted user samples to find design combinations that minimize initial video selection times. 18. 4 practical steps. Step 1. Isolate subscriber segments that display high search engine intent patterns but show low baseline home feed discovery engagement. Step 2. Restructure their primary interface to position the search asset in tailored historical category boards near the top of the device screen layout. Step 3. Deploy targeted push updates flagging newly uploaded, highly authoritative reference titles matching their previous search query logs. Step 4. Evaluate the resulting shift in search-to-watch transformation efficiencies in daily active sessions over a 30-day tracking window. If this breakdown gave you a whole new perspective on how modern media platforms scale, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay ahead of the curve. Check out the links in the description below right now to download your free study materials and handouts, get instant access to the free advanced chapter online tutorials, and make sure to share this video with friends who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.